Welcome everyone to Wecan Grow Academy. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in technical analysis. Simple methods to draw support and resistance. These levels aren't just line on a chart. They are zones of decision, emotions and opportunity. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, the session will help you draw these zones with clarity and confidence. Let's begin. Before we learn how to draw them, let's understand what they actually represent. Think of a support like a tarpaulin. It catches the falling prices, resistance like a ceiling, it blocks the upward movement. These zones reflects where buyers and sellers are most active. Every bounce tells a story. In this video, we show you three methods how to draw the support and resistance. The method one is swing highs and lows. Our first method is simple but powerful. Identify recent swing highs and low. These are natural turning points in prices. Drawing an horizontal line at these levels gives us a clear view of where price has reacted before. Use higher time frame for strong zones. They carry more weight. The second method is multiple touches. Next we look for zones that prices has respected multiple times. If level has touched 1, 2, 3 or more times, it is not a coincidence. It's a zone of interest. Wick counts but closes are stronger. Repetitions build conviction. The third method is round of numbers and psychological levels. Traders love clean numbers. In case of Nifty, we say 25,000, 24,900. These round levels often acts as a magnet. They are easy to remember and tend to attract attention. Combine these with a swing high and low for confirmation. Clean numbers, clear minds. Now, let me show all the three methods how to draw in the trading view chart. So as I said earlier, we have to draw the support and resistance on a higher time frame and move to the lower time for lower trading. So now my time frame is on daily chart. So identify the swing highs. The first method is swing high and low. So if you see, this is low, this is high, this is low, this is high. These are all called swings. One low, high. So our first method is you can easily draw a support and resistance on the recent swing highs and low. Just draw a horizontal line on these levels. This is when it is low, it is support, high, it is resistance. I am drawing this first method in black, line with black colors. Okay, I am just drawing all the highs as a and all the lows. So this is one low, you can see. The next method is multiple touches. So let us draw the multiple touches. Just take the horizontal line and see wherever there is a multiple touch happen. So in case of there are one, say I'm just drawing a line here. Multiple times it touches the resistance. 1, 2, 3. There is a 4. So these are all the price where repeatedly gets rejected. Similar way on the support side also we can see multiple times whether it got rejected. So the same way, like here I'm marking here. So this I change this to a green color. This is also green color. See, it's getting coincidence, like even the first method and second methods are getting merged. So third method is the round of numbers. As we said, 26,000, 25,600. So draw those lines. I'm just drawing this in a different color. As I said, 25,000 is a round of a psychological number. 25. Then you can draw uh, 25, 100. It's all round of numbers. Okay, on the upper side, it's all becomes as a resistant, and down I can draw as 24, 900. So as our teachings, we have drawn all the three methods in the chart on the higher time frame. So then move into the lower time, either a 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and see these levels will get respected. The price levels, these are price gets respected on these levels. See, if we go, so this acts as a resistance. When it comes down, it acts as a support. See, so here as a trader we can take out decisions. Okay, it is reaching our support. I can think of going for a long side trade. When it reaches my resistance, I can go for my sell side trade. So coming back, so practice, challenge. Now it's your turn. Take a look at this chart and try drawing two support zones, two resistance zones. Trust your instinct, apply what you have learned, and remember the nice catch. So the final project is, this is your final challenge. Identify two support zones, two resistance zones, and explain why you choose them. This is where theory meets practice. You are not just drawing lines, you are telling a story with price. So as in a community, we can celebrate when you do it, whether you are just starting out or refining your skills. You have taken a big step forward. Let's celebrate your progress and the power of the community. You are now a chart champion, and we are proud to grow together. Thanks for watching.